I spent months searching on YouTube trying to find the perfect niche, something that is easy to create with AI and also gets monetized. I explored thousands of niches and analyzed countless channels. Some niches looked simple, but they couldn't get monetized, while others had good earning potential but required a lot of time, effort, and advanced skills to create content. Then I discovered something interesting: several channels creating almost identical content in the educational niche. Their videos looked simple and were clearly made using AI, from scripts to visuals. That's when I realized this could be the perfect opportunity. Educational content has a higher chance of monetization, and with AI, it becomes incredibly easy to produce. So I decided to share this idea with you. If you study these channels and create similar content using AI tools, you can potentially build your own channel, get monetized within a few months, and start earning. In this video, I've selected one such channel, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can create similar content yourself. I've already prepared a complete Google Docs file that will guide you through the entire process of building your channel from start to finish. It begins with creating your YouTube channel and walks you step by step all the way to uploading your video and designing an eye-catching thumbnail. In between, you'll learn everything you need, from writing scripts to creating images and generating videos, covering the full A to Z process in a simple and easy-to-follow way. You can find the link to this document in the description below, so make sure to check it out and follow along. Here, if you open the Google Docs file, you'll find the very first prompt, which is all about creating your YouTube channel. The first thing you'll need is a good channel name. So, start by opening ChatGPT. Once it's open, copy the first prompt from the Google Docs file and paste into the prompt box. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will give you around 20 unique name ideas for your YouTube channel. Take a moment to go through them and choose the one that fits your vision the best. For example, I'm going to pick the name Veil of Echoes. Now, I'll copy this name and search for it on YouTube to check if there's already a channel using it, especially one with a large number of subscribers. After checking, I can see there isn't any big or well-known channel with this name, so it's perfectly fine to use. In case you do find an existing channel with the same or a very similar name, I recommend choosing another unique option so you can build your own distinct identity and avoid confusion in the future. After selecting your channel name, the next step is to create a channel logo. To do this, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the logo prompt provided there. Then, open ChatGPT again, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and click Generate. ChatGPT will create a unique and detailed image prompt specifically for your channel logo. Now, to turn this prompt into an actual image, I'll be using Nano Banana AI. Simply open Google Flow AI, paste your generated prompt into the input box, and select the Nano Banana 2 model. Make sure to set the image ratio to 1:1, since this works best for profile pictures. Then click Generate, and within a few seconds, your logo will be ready. Just like that, your channel logo or profile image is complete and ready to use. Now it's time to generate some ideas for your video. Simply go back to the Google Docs file and copy the video ideas prompt. Once you've done that, paste it into ChatGPT and click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will start giving you several creative video ideas. Take your time to go through them and pick the one that interests you the most or fits your channel style. For example, I'm choosing the idea POV, you're given access to everyone's hidden files. Once you've selected your topic, the next step is to generate the script. Head back to the Google Docs file again and copy the video script prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, but before clicking Generate, look for the section that says something like, Insert your topic here. This is where you need to paste your selected video idea. After adding your topic, click Generate and ChatGPT will start writing a complete script for your video, making the whole process much faster and easier. Now, once ChatGPT has generated the script for you, the next step is to convert it into an AI voiceover. For this, I'll be using Speechma AI, which is free, unlimited, and doesn't require any login. Simply open the website, then copy the entire script from ChatGPT and paste it into the Speechma input box. After that, scroll down and you'll find a variety of AI voice options. Take a moment to listen to a few samples and choose the one that best fits your video style. Once you've selected your preferred voice, click on Generate. Within a few seconds, your AI voiceover will be ready, and you can easily download the file and use it in your video. Now that your AI voiceover is ready, the next step is to create images for your video. To do this, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the image prompt. Then return to ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Here, you'll again see a section where you need to fill in your script. Simply copy your generated script and combine it with the image generation prompt. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will now create 30 or more detailed image prompts based on your script, with each one matching the story and flow of your video. You may also notice that it suggests continuing with part 2. This is useful if you're making longer videos, but for now, we're just focusing on understanding the process. To generate the images, I'll again use Nano Banana AI through Google Flow AI. Just copy each image prompt and paste it into the Flow AI prompt box, then click Generate. You'll see the images being processed one by one. Since this can take a bit of time, especially when doing multiple prompts, I'll speed up this part in the video to save time. This step is very important, so make sure you don't skip any prompts. By the end, you'll have a complete set of images that perfectly match your script and storyline. Once all the images are generated, the next step is to download them to your device so you can use them in your video. Now, once your images are generated, open CapCut to start creating your video. After opening it, begin by importing your AI voiceover file first. Once that's done, import all the images you downloaded. Next, start placing the images on the timeline one by one, matching them carefully with the script and voiceover. This step is very important and may take a bit of time, so don't rush. Adjust the length of each image so it perfectly aligns with the words being spoken. Try to match each visual with the exact moment in the script to create a smooth and engaging flow. To make your video more dynamic, you can add simple zoom in and zoom out effects, or use CapCut's keyframe feature to create slight motion in your images. This helps keep the viewer engaged instead of showing static visuals. Make sure all your images are arranged in the correct order and fully match the story. After that, add captions to your video to make it more engaging and easier to follow. Once everything is done, watch your video and check if anything needs small adjustments or improvements. In this example, I'm not adding background music because the reference channel doesn't use it, but you can add it if it fits your style. Finally, when everything looks perfect, export your video in 4K quality for the best results. Now we've reached the final step, creating your thumbnail, title, and video description. Once again, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the thumbnail prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and make sure to add your video topic in the required section before generating. And click Generate. ChatGPT will create a clean and unique thumbnail prompt for you, along with several title ideas, a full video description, tags, and keywords. All of this is especially helpful when you're starting a new channel, as it improves your chances of getting views and ranking better. Now, let's see how the thumbnail works. Simply copy the generated thumbnail prompt and paste it into Flow AI. As you can see, the thumbnail comes out in a style very similar to the reference channel, which helps maintain a professional and consistent look. At this point, you have everything you need. Using this exact process, you can create unlimited videos in this educational niche and keep uploading consistently to YouTube. With time, consistency, and quality content, your channel can grow, get monetized, and start generating income within a few months.
Level 1. At 2:13 a.m., your phone lights up with a strange message. No name, no number, just a link, and 2 words. Access granted. You almost ignore it, thinking it's spam, but something feels different this time, so you tap it. Instantly, a simple screen opens, black background, white text, and 1 search bar. Nothing else. Just to test it, you type a random name. Your neighbor. Within seconds, files start appearing. Photos, private messages, bank details, even deleted chats, things no one should ever see. Your heart starts racing. This isn't fake. This is real. At the bottom of the screen, a warning shows up. Use carefully. You pause, but your curiosity is stronger. You try again. This time, celebrities, influencers, even your old teacher.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and share it with someone who really wants to start their YouTube journey. Thanks for watching.